Hello, my beaches. What's up? Yes, my channel was hacked, and I'm here to share the entire story with you, just with the hope that it might help someone, or if you're watching it in advance, then it might help you protect your channel better or your account better. And after 1 week of my channel being retrieved, I have been able to get my spirits high enough to film a video because I was feeling very low and down the entire time. And before starting anything at all, I really want to thank a few people and mention their names here who have been so supportive, reached out to me on Instagram and told me that my channel has been hacked, and they were worried about me. They were talking to me constantly and they were telling me that everything will be fine. I really from the bottom of my heart thank you guys, and I really want to thank Nandita, Happiness, I don't know your name, I'm sorry, Lavanya, Ishita, Lakshita, Prachi, Minakshi, Kwarkitanya, and Divya. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much for being there with me in that bad time and, just supporting me throughout. So, I love you guys. Without any delays, let's get into this video. So the whole thing started with me receiving a mail about a cryptocurrency collaboration, and there was a link in it, and it was not like that I clicked on the link right after receiving the first mail. There had been a proper conversation between me and the other person, and then I decided, okay, they are sending me some files to look into, let's have a look at them. So it was actually an MP4 file which was saying as MP4 type screenshot, and it was not playing. And I tried playing it, and I have been lately receiving too many mails like this where I have been getting links in which there are files that you have to download and play to see if they're playing or not. So this one that I ended up downloading, I think when I clicked on the link, my channel got hacked. So this was before I knew anything about it, and the day my channel got hacked in the morning, I was just doing my house chores and my phone was on charging. I just reached out for my phone and I saw that there is a notification from Google saying that for asking permission if I'm trying to log in from some other location. So I just said no to that, and I tried changing my password, and when I changed my password, I was unable to log into my account. Now at this point, I was logged out of my Gmail because obviously everything had been changed. I was logged out of my Gmail, my YouTube, everything where I had logged in, my Creator Studio. I was out of everything. And when I was trying to log in, that was just not happening. When I was trying to log in through forget password, it was not happening. It was saying that it's not recognizing me because I got another notification saying that my linked mobile number has been changed, and they also deleted my devices, the linked devices through which Google recognizes you basically. So all my devices were deleted from it. So now I was in a blank spot, and I just kept on thinking that maybe I took a very quick action and I changed my password very quickly. So it's taking Google a little time because I was basically trying to not go into a negative thought, and I just thought that it's taking a little bit of time to Google also understand what has happened, and I'll try after maybe like 10 minutes. And for around 1 hour, I kept on trying to log in, but I was unable to log in. And after an hour, I was like, the channel is hacked now. I think there is absolutely no other explanation to this because they are not recognizing my devices. They're not giving me the option of forget password. There is absolutely no way I can retrieve my account now, and I am unable to do anything about it right now. So probably it's been hacked. Now in this situation, I don't know what others would do, but I actually went blank. I didn't know what to do. I was actually kind of in a shock because I was just for a simple reason that this might look like a small channel right now, but I have been working on YouTube from past 5 years, and this has taken me 5 years to build this channel to this level. I know my channel has got more recognition with perfume videos, but earlier I have been just doing it for fun and keeping myself busy. It was never like making money with it. And now I'm at a level that I have actually started making a little money with it, and I have more than the money. It was more about my 10,000 subscribers and my 5 years of hard work. It was more about that for me, because I knew it that if this channel goes away from my hands and if I have to start afresh, like from scratch, this will take me a long time to get there. And I just went blank basically, and my brain was numb. I was looking like crap that day. I was feeling like crap that day. And I just waited till the evening, and by that time, all I could do was look for some videos if anybody else's channel has been hacked and how they got it back. Honestly, a few Indian YouTubers, they are giving you the right advices, just one or two I would say. Rest of them are just wasting our time, and I have to put it out there. I have to put it out there that just for the sake of getting views, they are giving you the information which is not even true. So they are telling you that you need to reach out to another YouTubers or a friend YouTuber who will help you, who has more than 10,000 subscribers, or maybe who has a monetized channel. They will reach out to YouTube for you. Listen, this all is not going to work. If you're like me, if you don't have any friends at all that are YouTubers, you are on your own, to be honest. And I am making this video for those who are on their own, who has a small channel, who does not know anybody else to reach out to for help. And I too got a little desperate, and I reached out to a guy who made a video telling that so many people send me mails that my channel has been hacked, I helped them and this and that. I too reached out to him because I didn't know what to do at that time. But then I found a few videos from foreigners where they told us that what they actually did and how they got their channel back, and also an Indian YouTuber telling that what you should actually do in this situation. Let's cut the crap here and let me tell you that what I actually did to get my channel back. And this is the whole purpose of this video, so that if you're a small YouTuber and you don't know what to do, if you're in a dark spot like I was a week ago or 2 weeks ago, then this might help you. So they said that reach out to somebody who has a Twitter account and is recognized. I had a Twitter account, but I had never used it, and it was linked to that email ID. There were so many other things linked to that email ID that were my bank account, my affiliate accounts. So first suggestion I would like to make here is that do not just separate things for yourself. Do not link things with that YouTube account. Keep it just for communicating, for collaborations and uploading videos. Rest of the other things, do it with some other email ID, so that if this account is in danger at some point, you can do rest of the things and be assured about rest of the things. And I had everything in it. I had my pictures, I had my IDs in here. Thanks to the government right now that they could not, though my account was not hacked from India, let me tell you that, but even if it would have, they couldn't have used my Aadhaar card without my biometric. Yeah, we really do appreciate this about this government right now. And then I had my PAN card in it, I had my cancelled checks in it. I had so much information in this account that I was shit scared. I had everything connected with it. So I actually had to change everything at that point, and my husband really, because I was so blank and so out of focus at that time and so kind of low and down that I couldn't focus basically, and he helped me out a lot with making a new account, linking my bank accounts with that, and just changing everything up. Now at this point, the only solution I could see was to make a brand new Twitter account and tweet @Team YouTube about my issue. That was the only thing I could think of at that time, because the people I was trying to reach out through emails and Instagram messages, who actually say that we help everyone out there on the YouTube, they never responded. They still have not responded till date. That the channel is retrieved, there is no need of it. But yes, I'm just saying that they actually do not help. They are just making videos for getting views. Now, at this point, I made a Twitter account and I tweeted to @Team YouTube saying that I am a content creator and my channel has been hacked and please help me out with it since I have no other way of getting it back. And guess what? Within 3-4 hours, they actually replied. They actually replied to me. And all these people who are telling you that if you're not you don't have a following on Twitter and if you have a new account they will not look at your tweet, that's not the case. They looked at my tweet, they responded to me, they gave me full support to get my channel back. They first made sure that it is my channel. Now in this case, if you are watching it prior anything happening, you're lucky if nothing has happened to your channel. But still, I would like to say that not the special link that has our name in it, not that link, but your actual channel link, you will require that. Your last video link, you will require that. You need to note down your AdSense account, that PUB 15-digit number. You need to keep that in somewhere in records, so that if something wrong goes, anything goes wrong with your channel, you can at least reach out to YouTube support team with all these details. So I didn't have all this. Luckily, I could take out the link of my channel. I had a special link for my channel which actually showed my name in it, but that was not opening and that was not working in a situation like this. So luckily I had my profile link sent to me by a collaborator that I pulled out from the messages and sent them, and they then confirmed that yes, this is your channel, we recognize it now. And then the entire process started of me filling out the form in which I had to fill out everything that which was my last uploaded video, that I had to put in my AdSense ID and links that they asked for, and all the information, like whatever you remember about your channel. It was actually important to put in like the link for your last video, your channel's link, and your AdSense account ID. These are some very important things to be filling out that form, because without this information I couldn't have got it back. Luckily I was sharing everything on internet and I could pull out some links. So AdSense, I didn't have it, and I mentioned it clearly where there was an option to write something or to leave a message. I wrote that I don't have the AdSense ID since I'm unable to log into anything at all. I don't have access to any mails even. Anyways, you do not even get the that PUB number in mails. You never get it. You just get a notification from Google AdSense that your payment has been initiated from our end. So you never get that PUB number in your mails. So all this false information on internet, it's not going to help you. So now after all this, filling the form and everything, then they helped me retrieve the channel. Now the channel is back and everything is back to normal. All my videos were private. What I understand is that because of the content that person was playing on my channel, it was a live video. Probably the content got restricted and the entire channel got restricted due to that. And that was like a blessing in disguise, because I didn't know that if your channel gets restricted, it means you cannot even log into YouTube. YouTube does not let you log into it, which was a good thing at that point. So when I got my channel back, basically my account back, I couldn't log into YouTube and I had to get that issue fixed from their end. So now in this entire scenario, I cannot provide you with the form link because that form is associated with your email ID that you provide to them. It's not like a link that I can provide to you. Another thing, I cannot provide you with any email ID that you can reach out to them. Probably I can. I'll look into it and post it in the description box if there is any. But in my knowledge, you have to reach out to them through this whole Twitter post process. So I would highly suggest that you go through this process of Twitter if this unfortunate thing has happened to you. If not, the things that I have mentioned, make sure to make a note of them and keep it somewhere. And so that if something happens, and let's hope nothing happens like this, but in case something happens, you should have this information with you about your channel. I'm still trying to lift my spirits up and get back to track and be equally excited about my channel now. But yeah, it's taking me time. In that 1 week, you won't believe I did not put on perfume. I was numb. I was blank. I was not focused. And I had severe headache for entire 3 days. I have spent sleepless nights and days, and I was so damn worried about losing my channel. And it was a bad time that has passed now, and I'm trying not to cry here. I'm really trying, but this channel means a lot to me. And I'm just here to help anybody out there who is going through the same situation, because trust me, I know how you must be feeling right now. I don't want to cry. My makeup will get ruined. I don't want to cry. I really hope that even if this video helps a single person out there, that will be the success of this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good, and have a great day all. Bye bye. Mwah.